Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my little students. I'm so happy that you all are here today, and I'm also here with the beautiful morning and beautiful day. Before starting our lesson, we will start our day with the name of Allah. So we will recite dua for knowledge. Everyone raise your hands and you have to repeat after me. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. My little students, before we start our lesson, we will sing a good morning song. Okay, and wheels on the bus. So, can you stand up please, everyone? Okay, first tell me one thing. Are you excited to sing a song with me? Are you excited? Okay, let's start.
About to begin. Put a smile on your face. Say hello to your friend.
Hello. Hi.
Good morning. It's time for listening and learning and sharing and playing. A new day is about to begin. About to begin. Put a smile on your face. Say hello to your friends.
Hola.
It's time for listening and learning and sharing and playing. A new day is about to begin. It's about to begin. It's about to begin. It's about to begin.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus go
Wah, wah, wah.
all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 daddies on the bus go all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, I love you, I love you,
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay students, today we are going to start our lecture number 3, and in this lecture we will talk about family. Okay, so it's a unit number 1 in your books. Do you have your student books with you right now? Okay, my dear students, let's talk about this picture. Okay, it's a picture. We are going to start our unit number 1 from your student books. So let's recall their names, the character names, as I told you in your first lecture. Here is May, Sam, Anna. Okay, I hope you remember their names. Okay, and here is Mom, Dad. They are standing in a home garden, and you can find out a small house, grass, flowers, trees, clouds, and so many other things. Like you can find out you can also recall your colors which you have learned in your previous lecture. Sam's shirt is in red color, Dad's shirt is in blue color, Anna's shirt is in yellow color. That small house is also in yellow color. So now I'm going to play a small video clip for you. Now watch it carefully and listen very carefully. Then you have to repeat. Listen and repeat. Okay? So let's watch out this one first.
Brother!
Sister.
Mom!
Dad. Listen and point.
Brother!
Sister.
Mom!
Dad.
Listen again and repeat this vocabulary.
1:13. Listen and repeat.
Brother, sister, mom, dad.
Okay, my dear student, this is the second page of unit 1, and this is an activity page. On this page you will paste the stickers. Do you like pasting stickers? Oh yes. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here is your sticker page, and you can find out this page. If you will see the last pages of this student book, you can find out these stickers. So here are the stickers which are given according to the unit. So we will just take out unit number 1 sticker Okay, students, you can take your mom's help and you can start taking these stickers one by one. First, take out mom's sticker and then go back to an activity page and we will paste it over there. So, let's start. Again, take out dad's sticker and go back to an activity page, paste it over there. Then go back again over there and take out Anna's sticker, that is sister. You can bring that sticker over here and come back to this an activity page and paste it on the same Anna's picture, and then go back again and take out Sam's sticker and paste it on Sam's picture. So start pasting right now with me one by one and finish this work right now. Okay, my dear students, it's time to paste these stickers. So I'm going to paste these stickers with you right now from this student book. Here is your activity page from your student book. So I told you stickers are given at the end page of this book. So you will go over there and you can find out stickers here. Here stickers are given, unit wise stickers are given over here, like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. So we need unit 1 stickers right now. So here is mom, dad, sister, brother. So first we will take out this sticker from over here, mom's sticker, and then go back again on your activity page and find out where is mom's picture. Here it is. Where is mom's picture? Here it is. So we are going to paste this sticker on mom's picture like this. Okay, and you will do the same activity with your other pictures as well. Dad's picture, sister, brother. Again go back over there, get this sticker, dad's sticker, and take out this. My cute babies, you can perform this activity with your family photos at home. You can take your dad's, mom's, brothers and sisters pictures and you can point out one by one, and you can do the practice, sentence structure practice, like here is my dad, he is my dad, she is my mom, he is my brother. So do this. Now listen this audio and you have to repeat.
1:14. Listen and point.
Hello, I'm May, and this is my family.
Hello, May. Who's he?
He's my dad.
Oh, hello.
Who's she?
She's my mom.
Hi!
Who's he?
He's my brother. Hello.
Who's she?
She's my sister, Anna.
My dear students, now we are going to start work on activity book. Okay, my dear students, here is your activity book page number 8, and you can see there are 2 pictures given. In one picture you can see their sad faces because they are not happy, they are not nice to each other, and in this picture he is sharing his toys and that's why she is happy and he is also happy. They are sharing their toys. So you will draw a sad face here. Okay, with your mama's help you will draw a sad face and you will draw a smiley face here, and you can color these pictures as well. Okay students, as I told you about my family, mom, dad, brother and sister. So here is your activity book page, and in this page what you are going to do, you can match these blank pictures with these pictures. You can see here is dad's picture and you find out where is dad's picture and you can match with it. Okay, so we can start tracing our pencil over here. You will also do this one. Start coming to this way, and here is dad's picture, so you have to complete like this. Okay, and same thing you can do with your this picture. Here is brother's picture, so start tracing from this way and come to this way. Okay, and you will now it's time to get your stars. Now, my dear kids, it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.